Let's make a bountiful breakfast. What you want to do first is season your ground beef. You can season it with your favorite spices, which in my case, salt, pepper, oregano, paprika, garlic, onion powder, and to fry this beef, use olive oil. So for the sauce, we're going to make Sriracha Mayonnaise, which is basically mayonnaise and Sriracha combined. So what you want to do first, open your mayo, add 2 tablespoons of it. Now let's add another one. Now let's add our Sriracha, and 1 tablespoon. I like it very spicy. You can even add more Sriracha mayonnaise if you want to. Just remember, I always like it very spicy. Let's add a little more of mayonnaise, because we're going to make 2 burgers for this. Now give it all a stir. Make sure it's all mixed up together. Now that our Sriracha mayonnaise is done, let's cook our beef. Oh, how silly of me. I forgot to tell you we have to wash our hands before we can use the beef. First, turn on the water and wash your hands. Wet your hands first. And grab your soap, 2 times I do it, and then wash. Once you're done that, clean it off. Turn off the water. Once you're done washing your hands, you can take your ground beef and form it into a circle. Allow me to demonstrate. Pull your hand and take it out and roll it. You can add more if you want. Just don't put too much. Just roll it. Once you're done that, you can flatten it down. So it'll come out like this, but we're going to make 2. Let's grab our second beef patty. Add some more. Line it down. And there you have it. Once you're done that, turn on the heat, put some olive oil in it. I like using a non-skillet pan. It's more heavier and it cooks it more easier. So now we just have to wait until it heats up. And here's an interesting fact. If you want to make sure the oil is heating up, put your hand right here. Not on the pan, because then you will burn your hand. Just keep it like here, and here, and here, and you. What I'm trying to say is, make sure you feel some heat. That way, you can find out if it's ready or not. Alright, since our oil is heating up, you can put your beef in there. And as another fact, if you put a piece of your patty in the oil, and if you hear a sizzle, you'll know it's ready. Now that our beef is sizzling, press it down. And also, an important fact, if you see pink, that means it's not ready. If you don't see any pink, you know it's perfectly cooked. You have to make sure that this bottom line is totally finished. Check underneath, see if it's brown. If you want it more, press down. I think this side is done. Let's flip it up. Just make sure no oil gets on you, because it'll burn. Now that our beef is done, Move it, put it on your plate. Now we can add our second pepper. And make sure the oil doesn't go all over the place so you'll make a mess. Put it there so you can cover it. Just cover it a little bit, not all of it. Now that one's done. Move it. Now let's add our bacon. We're using chicken bacon. Why? I like eating pork. So let's put in 2. Pork. And we have to wait until cooked. Now that our bacon is cooked, move it from the pan. Now, there's more. Because we're making 2 of them, we add 2 more. Now we just wait a few seconds and then you'll fry. Add this bacon is done. Here's the pot. Where our plates. Now that's done, let's grab our peppers and add a little garlic. Now let's add a pinch of salt, just a little bit. Once we're done that, let's add our black pepper. Mix well. Mix well so everything blends together. The garlic, the peppers, the salt and pepper. In case your pepper fallen off like mine did, wash it. Clean it, and then you can put it back, and then season it with salt and pepper. Get it all in here. Now, wait until it's all cooked. Just make sure the garlic is all in there, and the salt and pepper is on the peppers. I have a feeling it's all done. Now let's remove it from the heat. Alright. Almost forgot there's one more. This is perfect. There we go. Once we're done that, let's add our Sriracha Mayonnaise and our buns. You can put it on both sides, the bottom and the top. We also add in your beef, your cheese, and your bacon. Now let's add in our lettuce. Then, our tomatoes. Let's add in our onions. 2 more. And cloves. And there you have it. For our sides, instead of hash browns, we're going to use pierogies and our peppers. It's the greatest bountiful breakfast ever. Enjoy your breakfast. Enjoy your bountiful breakfast. This is definitely the best. I'll see you all next time.